Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a drink that I make and I have on a daily basis. You know, when I'm not free soloing the Dawn Wall with Alex Honnold or, day trading and diversifying my portfolio on Wall Street, as I regularly do. This drink is actually called the Espresso Martini. It's a nice, tasty drink, something to kick off your day, get it started. It's usually made with espresso, as the name signifies, but you can either do espresso or some sort of cold brew. Either you need to make sure it's chilled beforehand so you're not melting all your ice into your drink and diluting it. So I got about 2 ounces, 2 shots of cold brew here. There we go. Then we're gonna go 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. And then we're gonna do, you can either do 1 to 2 ounces. The recipes are all kind of fluctuating. Kind of depends on how much of a kick you want your drink to have. I'm gonna probably do about 2 ounces of this. Okay, so now we give it a shake. Difference with the Espresso Martini is generally you want to either shake it more vigorously or for a little bit longer. So let's do it. Out your strainer, martini glass. Then top it off with some espresso beans. There we have it, the Espresso Martini. Oh wow, that is super good. Yep, this is definitely one to, kickstart your day. Probably make one of these at 8 a.m., get started, go to your job. Yeah, this is a really good one. Wow. If you guys want to help support me so I can make more drinks like this and share them with you guys, feel free to take a look down in the description. I have some affiliate links for Amazon on tools that I use on a regular basis to make these drinks. So feel free to check it out. And of course, thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you like this video. It helps to get it out there so other people can see.